Welcome to GOOSE Recruitment. If you're considering a new role in the aviation and airline sectors, you might have questions about what the recruitment process looks like with GOOSE. We're here to give you the answers. Let's walk through our most frequently asked questions from job seekers, so you feel confident and informed every step of the way. What is the recruitment process with GOOSE? GOOSE's recruitment process is proactive and confidential. We assess your suitability and interest, then guide you through a tailored interview process with preparation and feedback. If offered the role, we support you through negotiations, contracts, and onboarding, including advice on counter-offers. Our support continues post-placement with check-ins and feedback. Can you explain the headhunting process? Headhunting is how we find top-level professionals who may not be actively looking for a new role. We do this by leveraging our aviation and airline network, conducting in-depth research, and approaching potential candidates confidentially to gauge interest and suitability. How do you approach candidates confidentially? Discretion is key. We contact potential candidates privately, ensuring their current employment status remains secure. This allows for an honest and open conversation without compromising your confidentiality. How can I get started with GOOSE Recruitment? You can browse and apply for roles directly on our website without needing to create an account. But for the best experience, we recommend registering. This allows you to upload your CV and documents, get your profile added to our database, and set up tailored job alerts, so you never miss an opportunity in your field. Can I apply for more than one job? Absolutely. You're welcome to apply for multiple roles that align with your experience and interests. Just apply to each one individually through our website to increase your chances of securing the right job for you. Do you recruit all nationalities? Yes, we do. We recruit globally and welcome candidates of all nationalities. Each applicant is evaluated fairly based on their skills, experience, and suitability for the role. Some roles may require specific visas or sponsorships, depending on the company and location, but we'll guide you through those requirements. What types of job placement options are available? We offer flexible job placement options, whether you're looking for a permanent role, a contract position, or temporary work. This gives you the freedom to find opportunities that match your career goals and lifestyle. How does GOOSE ensure ongoing support and communication? From interview coordination to offer management, we're with you throughout the process. We act as the link between you and the employer, keeping communication clear, consistent, and supportive. And once you have started your new job, we will continue to check in to make sure everything is going smoothly. At GOOSE Recruitment, we're committed to a transparent, inclusive, and efficient hiring process. We're here to support you wherever you are in your career journey. Explore opportunities, register today, and let's find your next role in aviation.